Alright guys, we have our seat rails that came in, so we can finally, officially, properly put seats on the damn car. So, going up in this package, huge shout out to Art of Tag, who ordered these for me. But yeah. I don't want to rip these boxes. I want to keep these boxes. They're nice. I like 40 boxes because they look nice. Some of the nice ones at least. Ooh, here you go, guys. Just authentic rails. Nothing too special. Let's go ahead and take them out. You guys can see them. Brit, as you guys can see. Or bri, whatever you guys want to call it, whatever. But yeah, beautiful craftsmanship on this. And you guys can see they have their authentic tag, so this isn't no rep or whatever. We keep it real. Also, that one has a tag on the bottom, so go ahead and install these.
12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later, many months.
But for real, guys, that took like 4 hours trying to figure out how the fuck that shit goes. I ended up figuring out that you just freaking slide the rail itself to expose the holes, to put the bolt in there. But yeah.
Ay, baboso. Ay, si los hijos de su chingada madre.
Shut up! Give me a turn to speak!
Chinga tu puta ma.
Ay, baboso. Ay.
So here we have it, guys. Here we have the seats installed on the car. These things are so freaking sick. They sit really good. I thought a lot of people told me that the Brit seats sit lower than stock, and they do, but the way they were saying it made me kind of feel kind of sketchy about it, because they said it's gonna be super low that you can't see over the damn freaking hood or whatever, over the damn steering wheel. They said they were so freaking low. So maybe they're running reps, I don't know. Or maybe they're short. Some of them say they're 6'1". I'm 6'1" right now, and I can see perfectly fine over the steering wheel and everything. I can see like no issues at all. So I don't know if you lied or whatever, but I mean they said perfect in my opinion. It just feels more planted with these seats or these rails, I want to say, but they came out freaking amazing, guys. And if you guys are wondering where this pad is at, I sent it out to MD Interiors. I put his Instagram somewhere right here. He's basically getting my whole seats in the rear custom made, exactly the same authentic Brit material with embroidery Brit Japan on the head pads. So it's gonna look so freaking sick, guys. Can't wait to get that done. Just like Sky's ST, I don't know if you've seen him, his full Varis or Varus, I don't know, however you want to call it, wide body. He has like freaking Brit seats in the front matching with the rear seats. That thing looks fucking sick. So that's gonna look pretty clean too. Not a lot of people do this, so it is pricey, but I think it's worth it. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. I'll keep you guys posted when I get my seats in the rear and the roll cage and all the other kind of stuff. So yeah, peace out.
Damn! Right in my arm!
Make sure you guys like and subscribe the video and share it, guys. And I do appreciate the support from you guys. Some of you guys have DM'd me on Instagram, and I've gotten quite a few subscribers ever since I've been a little bit more active. So I do appreciate the support, and it will help the channel a lot, guys, if you guys like and subscribe. And also comment below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to be watching. Funny videos or more car content. I'm a big car enthusiast, or tour reviews. Let me know what you guys want to see, and see you next time, guys. Peace out.